Welcome back to Learn with Gravity. Today we're excited to introduce you to LensGo AI, an incredible all-in-one AI tool that's completely free. Whether you're looking to create stunning images, generate videos, or restyle both images and videos all from simple text prompts, LensGo AI has got you covered. In this complete tutorial, we'll walk you through all the amazing features step by step, showing you exactly how to use the platform to get the most out of it. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the LensGo AI website and sign up using either Google or your email. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface once you log in. The layout is simple to navigate, which makes it a perfect tool for both beginners and advanced users alike. So let's start with one of the coolest features, creating images from text. To get started, click on the Create Images tab. You'll notice several options on the left-hand side. These options will help you fine-tune the image generation process. First, under the model drop-down, you'll see multiple creative styles such as Flux, Real Anime, and even Pixar-inspired styles. These models will affect the overall look and feel of the image. For instance, Flux may give you a more stylized, futuristic image, while Anime will bring out that sharp, cartoonish vibe. Take your pick based on what you're trying to achieve. Next, we move on to image dimensions. If you're planning to create visuals for a YouTube video, I highly recommend selecting 16:9 for a widescreen format. On the other hand, if your content is aimed at platforms like TikTok or Instagram, the 9:16 option will suit you best since it's a portrait format. Flexibility is key here. You can create images for any platform. Once you've got that set, the next option is to choose the number of images. You can generate anywhere from 1 to 4 images in one go, depending on how many variations you'd like. Now, a crucial setting to pay attention to is the text guidance scale, which controls the accuracy of your generated image based on the text you provide. I'd suggest keeping this at around 10 for a balanced result, accurate but still creative. Also, don't forget to enable negative prompts. This allows you to exclude unwanted elements from your image, giving you more control over the outcome. Now, for the fun part, input your prompt in the text box. If you're struggling with what to type, don't worry. LensGo AI provides a variety of sample prompts to choose from. For this demo, I'll select the third one. Once you're happy with your prompt, simply click Generate, and within a few seconds, your images will be ready. If you're not entirely satisfied with how it looks, you can always change the model or tweak the settings and regenerate the image until it fits your vision. Once you're satisfied, click the download button to save the image to your device. Now let's move on to the next feature, text to video. Click on text to video and you'll notice the options here are similar to image generation. You'll select the model, dimensions, and number of video. One unique option here is the video length setting, which lets you choose between normal 4 seconds and longer 8 seconds. Keep in mind, the longer the video, the more time it takes to generate, and it also uses more coins. Just like with the images, input your text prompt or choose one from the sample prompts. For this walkthrough, I'll stick with the third option again. After clicking Generate, the system will take a few minutes to process the video. Once it's done, preview your video, and if satisfied, click Download to save it. Next up, let's explore the image to video feature. This is where things get even more exciting because instead of generating a video from scratch, you can take an image and add motion to it. Click on Image to Video and upload your image file. After that, enter your text prompt describing the type of motion you want to see. For instance, you can make an object in your image appear to move or animate certain elements within it. After you input your prompt, click Generate and LensGo AI will bring your image to life. Once again, you can download the video after it's generated. Another fantastic feature is the video restyle option, where you can transform an existing video with AI. Click on Video Style Transfer and you'll find 3 modes: restyle, AI rendering, and AI coloring. Simply upload the video you want to transform, select your preferred mode, and click Generate. Within moments, your freshly restyled video will be ready to download. Lastly, let's talk about image restyle. Similar to the video restyling feature, this allows you to transform the look of any image. Click on Image Restyle, upload your image, and select the model or artistic style you want to apply to it. For example, you can turn a photo into a comic book illustration or even a painting. Once you've chosen your model, click Generate, and after a few seconds, your newly styled image will be available for download. And that wraps up our complete tutorial on LensGo AI. It's an incredibly versatile tool, offering endless possibilities for artists, content creators, and anyone looking to experiment with AI-powered visuals. Whether you're creating for social media, YouTube, or just for fun, LensGo AI has everything you need, all for free. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Learn with Gravity for more in-depth tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.